Alright, so today I've got a really long video on how to install floor mats. Now I know a lot of times you're thinking floor mats are just kind of like an incidental thing, but it's kind of important if you want to save your carpet. Now all those little pebbles and stuff, they build up and then they just work like grinders to grind all of your old carpet into dust. So we got these right here. Now these are actually GM reproduction from back in the day. These are licensed floor mats. On this side here, you can see it's got all these nipples right here. That keeps it from sliding around on you. A lot of times when you put in floor mats, they slide up, get stuck underneath your brake pedal, your gas pedal, or they just slide so far back that you don't have any use for them. So with these nipples, they're not going anywhere. Now we actually have some floor mats in here, but these are a really rare floor mat. This is a 1 year only floor mat, and these things sell for an absolutely insane price. So if you got floor mats that you want to protect, put a floor mat on top of your floor mat. If your carpet's old and ugly and tired already and you don't want to replace the carpet, just put on a floor mat and you're looking good in no time at all. So I think that's really about all I can say about floor mats, but they do a bit more than what you're figuring for just sitting around. My name's David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center every single week, making sure your floor mats look good. And I'll be back next Tuesday, so make sure you subscribe and check us out on Instagram and Facebook, because that stuff's cool too. I'll see you guys on the road.